Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E32s, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. Now click on About Phone at the bottom. After that, select Device Name section and type in wherever you wish to. Then select OK. And in order to save your changes, click on OK in this Device Name Visibility pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my Motorola has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!